wanted to hop on here and give you a quick review on this iRobot Roomba vacuum. This is the i5 series, so it is a vacuum and mop combo. I have been absolutely loving it, and I also think it's a really great price for all of the features that it comes with. Down here are the sensors to charge as well as the sensor to navigate your home. And to empty it, all you have to do is press that little button and it pops right out. You can also open the lid right here. It's super easy to pop open and empty all of the dirt that it collects. So it is not self-emptying, but it's so easy that I'm able to do it with one hand. And then you have the little replaceable filter there on the side, and they do give you an extra one with the vacuum, which is really nice as well. And then this is the mop attachment, and what I love about this attachment is that it vacuums and mops at the same time, which is super convenient. The liquid is poured into one section of the attachment, and then the area where the dirt gets sucked into stays dry. And the little mop pad has a connection that slides into the attachment as well as velcros on. So I've not had any issues with it wanting to fall off while mopping. It stays on really well, and it's also washable. I throw it into the wash after every use and it comes out nice and clean. There is 3 buttons here at the top: the power clean button, the spot clean button, and the home button. So you can control it just by pressing those buttons, or you can control it from the app. So the app is super easy to use. It shows the battery life, you can create favorites, you can create a schedule, and it also shows the history of when you used it last, and it also creates a map of your entire home. So after it maps out your home, you can go to the map and label each room. So after you've labeled each room, you can make that room a favorite and you can have it start that job. I pressed dining room and it went straight to the dining room and started vacuuming. I just think that's super cool, and I absolutely love being able to fully control it from the app. Another thing I love about this vacuum is that it doesn't just ping pong off of walls, if that makes sense, and just kind of randomly wander around. Since it maps out your home, it actually vacuums in rows. So I really find this vacuum to be very accurate, and it does a really good job navigating around tables and chairs and furniture, and it also does a really good job on our rugs. I have a rug with tassels, and it does a really good job sensing those tassels and not getting stuck in them. This vacuum has made my life so much easier, especially with having a toddler and a dog in the house that sheds like crazy. I truly cannot express how much I have been loving it. So if you're looking for a really good quality vacuum, I would 100% recommend this one.